the loan signing system is the most amazing program out there. Mark Wills, I love you to death. I'm doing this in one take, so if I cry, I cry. I don't care. Hey, LSS Nation, Brian Horak here from Chandler, Arizona. I joined the loan signing system back in May of 2021, and I literally did nothing with it until fall of 2022. Mainly because I was scared. I had a full-time corporate job. I was an operations director at a high-end jeweler in the Phoenix, Arizona area. But I will say this, I think we've read enough posts on Facebook that the loan signing system is great, but we're all scared. We all gotta start somewhere. And I left my full-time 9-to-5 back in Thanksgiving of 2022, and I went full-time into this after taking a month off January 2023. I love what I do. I love helping people. I helped a 27-year-old young man, first-time home buyer last week, and he was immensely grateful. And I just love being able to help people, and I hope that comes across in my work and what I do. But the loan signing system, of course, is constantly adding content. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. Don't take my word for it. Take the hundreds of people who are on the loan signing system group chats in Facebook. I love that there is a local chapter in each state, for most states. How has this changed my life? I am my own boss. I don't have to get up at the same time every day and go sit at a desk. 2 examples. Last week, Monday, I got to take my church youth group to the lake before they went to school. I didn't have to ask anybody to do that. Second example is yesterday, I had to put down my cat that we've had for 18 years. He was the heart and soul of our family. And I was able to do that without having to ask anybody's permission. And I was able to be there with him for a couple hours at the vet. So yeah, it gives you the flexibility, the freedom to do what you want to do, when you want to do it. For all that life brings you, the good and the bad. I know I will get there with your help. Again, the content that Mark puts out is amazing. I can't wait to watch and learn and grow. And that's all that we're really here to do, is learn and grow. And I love LSS Nation. There isn't anybody on any of the Facebook pages that judge anybody else. It's all love and family, and that's all I can ask for. Thank you.